Oops, had a little interruption there. This man also did a very good job. Oop, hold on. Had to change arms there. Everything over here looking good. These people are doing a very good job with the cleanup. I'm sure their residents are very happy. A little slush, meaning they could use some salt on the ground, because when these temperatures start getting crazy, this turns into what I like to call Negro ice. Please don't get offended. I use the word Negro frequently in jest. Just mounds and mounds of snow. It's kind of crazy. Here we go. Crossing the next street. Oh, okay, we lucky. Because the super that always gets the worst cleanup award did a little bit of work. Let's see who this buster is anyway. This is the sidewalk that is usually never clean. As you can see, it's in nowhere as clean as the other sidewalks. I think he's a bit on the lazy end, but he knew he couldn't just let that go untouched. And this is him. I am busy. Excuse me. Thank you.
Good morning. How you doing?
I'm all right. Hard at work or hardly working?
Hard working.
All right. I doubt that. These folks, working hard. These folks always have their side clean, and then it usually stops right here because you're responsible for them. More hard workers over here. I will. Thank you very much. This is like a step I just walked on, because this is getting kind of hard. So this is ground, and then that's a level up of snow in front of the drive-thru. Hopefully nobody has to get out of there. And we're moving. This is Illy D's journey to the D. Haha! Illy D's journey to the D. Up 182nd in the Bronx. I tell you, I'm not even gonna blame the news people, because the news people said they were having trouble really deciphering the magnitude of this snowstorm. They said that, oh, crossing the street, let's take a look at this. How any car can drive over this mess, I'm not quite sure. But they're making it, of course, untouched. Listen, Bloomberg, you better get your life together, because they had all the plows out for those little dustings. This young man wants to jump in the snow. That's cool too. Look at this. Everybody look at that. Can you see it? That's my whole foot. That's pretty high. Oh, this is nice. Ground, snow. Absolutely amazing. It's gonna take me a while to get to the train station, a little longer, because I'm giving you guys this little documentary, but I think it's interesting. Maybe I'll put it up on Facebook. I don't know if you want to see 3 minutes of me walking to the D train, or more like 5 minutes. But anyway, this man's got machinery. He's doing good. The thing is, some of it has hardened already, so they gotta really dig deep. There you go, some more indication of how much snow we got. It's crazy. I finally reached the D train. Boom, here we go. Oh, this man's restaurant, they hardly ever clean the front. They have a party all night long, and they don't usually clean, but today they did. And then, of course, nobody's responsible for this spot to this spot, so that's why we have this mess in between the ground and the next piece of ground. Like, I know it ain't your responsibility, but who's responsible for this random gate? Can we please get it together? Oh my gosh, that's the Grand Concourse. Looking crazy, no buses. Mailman, rain, sleet, hail, or snow, he's getting popping. He's over there. I'm at the D. Trains are definitely going local. I'm definitely running late, but it's all right. Oh, the dilemma. And babies are coming, and Illy D is going. Deuces.